Yo, I'm in the Balangan sunset point, and Balangan beach is just behind me, and the situation here looks like this. Not so many people on the beach. However, here I'm gonna show you quickly 360 behind me some picnic and people already preparing themselves for watching sunset. So we will see how's the situation and how's the vibes here today. Basically, here is beautiful cliff and the beach is very low tide now, but not many people, and will be the sunset. This is probably one of the most famous places to watching sunset in general in Bali so far. Here is the picnic and some people preparing themselves, and here you have a view like this. Oh, photo session also, and here just have to be careful, don't jump. And yeah, fishermen's going already into ocean, so people having a grill or barbecue or barbecue or picnic, however you call this. Mostly local people, but so many, and this is some sort of new trend to having picnic like this. There is the nice hotel once day. I've been there. There is the rock bar by Ayana over there, and there is the airport and Kuta. Just interesting fact. And some people coming, but it's very quiet in general. I'm gonna go to the beach soon. This place in general where I'm working now was used to be packed with the local and foreigner people. However, it's neither foreigners here except me or neither packed of people, so not sure. We have a Guinness classic Volkswagen car. The lady's gonna try me sell me Guinness probably, but I don't like Guinness anyway, not drinking alcohol. Just be careful here, never try to jump. But damn, the people making pictures there. And that's how it looks like. And yeah, fishermen. Here is the parking area and some surf guest house over there. Usually here is very busy, but like I said, the sunset is in 45 minutes, but not many people even coming. So, all right, and here some stairs what you have to go down to the beach, which is behind me. And well, maybe people will come here like a last minute, like 10-15 minutes before sunset time, and they just gonna watch and go home. However, at the moment it's definitely not that busy as used to be just months ago, because there already is 3 months like lockdowns, PPKM, stuff like this. So that's how it looks like. Let's see what is on the beach. They are also local warungs. I think this is called Slime Cliff, with the like this. Oh, have to be careful. I don't know how it's called properly. You can correct me if I'm wrong. A lady gonna pray here. Well, technically beach is almost empty. Nearly you can enjoy it by yourself. Well, yeah, that's how it looks like. Wonder if I'm gonna get some radler somewhere here. Hopefully yes. Meanwhile, very low tide. That's how it looks like. Only few local people enjoying their time and making pictures. Really only few. Yo, what's up, doggo? How you doing? Chilling, enjoying. And well, this beach was one of the most famous beaches for surfers in Bali so far. And this Warungs was also the surfing vibe. The people was coming to having a bintang, watching sunset, stuff like this. But I think, well, I'm pretty sure all of them, they are closed. Maybe one there is open only, somewhere in the background. However, as you see, that's a kind of big tragic. Anyways, nobody here. Almost nobody. Seems like also many surfers already went home and don't think they're gonna come back in the near future in the current regulations. However, let's see, because currently this place, to compare to the 5-6 months ago, is deserted. Really was quiet always since the current situation, but like half year ago there was still some people here around, but not today at all. Okay, gonna go to the street. We will see how's the village life. Here is the backside of the Warungs. Pretty deserted, indeed. Last time when I was here with Winnie, I mean that was like a long time ago, last year, where I was actually quite busy. I remember as I forgot to take one of my cameras in one of these bars, and after 15 minutes I realized that was making the time lapse. That was the time when I used to making a time lapses. You can comment below if you still remember that. And my camera was still there, so that was actually good. I went inside one of these warungs. This is actually pretty sad view. I think you're gonna agree with me. But well, I just wanna show you how beautiful sunset you could enjoy having a bintang here. something like that. And well, the doggo house there, he's still there. Here is small alley, still dirt road, nothing changed. This is how it looks Uluwatu area about 20, 30, 40 years ago, when you used to remember coming for surfing here. So maybe some of you guys would like to comment and share if this area looks at least similar how it looks today. And the sunset gonna be soon. Well, it's so hot, no chance for rattler. You need to wear mask. Wear mask. That's pretty sucks actually. Okay, I'm gonna fly drone and gonna get a good spot for that.
It's good to be back again. But I feel I must warn you, we didn't part as friends. If you remember me, there's no way I could know. But I walked right up and you opened up the door. It's strange, but I could fall in love with you right here, right now. Yeah, I could fall in love with you right here, right now. But would it be to want the moon? I fear somehow. Yeah, I could fall in love with you, but I won't. Not here, not now.
Sunset is coming soon, only few more people arrive, and down there also not that much difference, but the sunset gonna be very beautiful for sure. And I think that's it from me from today. I hope so you enjoyed. Beautiful location, beautiful place, vibes, how is it? And yeah, like always, thank you so much and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.